10.3 exercise children. Okay, NCERT textbook, 9th CBSE. Okay children. So 10.3 exercise children. First question I am doing children. Circles lesson. Okay, page number is 176. First question. What is the first question? He said, draw different pairs of circles. How many points does each pair have in common? Children, two circles will have how many common points, children? 2. 2 points. Two circles will have 2 common points only. Two circles will have 2 common points only. More than 2 common points, is it possible, children? However you draw, more than 2 common points, not possible. So 2 circles will have 2 common points only. 2 circles will have only 2 common points. That is first question.
Sir, is it possible that the two circles can be overlapping? No, sir.
If they are overlapping,
Like completely on each
no,
other,
no, no,
exactly.
no. If overlapping, we will not take into consideration. If they are touching at 2 points, how many points does each pair have in common? What is the maximum number of? Okay, if it is touching, infinite points are possible. If it is touching, infinite possibles are possible, or else 2 points. Minimum is 2, maximum is infinite. If they are touching continuously, very good. Suppose you are given a circle. Can you identify the center? Yes, children. Suppose if you are given a circle, can you identify the center? Anyone?
Sir, we draw a line and divide it by 2.
Nanika?
Sir, 2 lines, the intersection point is the center.
Children,
2 diameters.
Draw any 2 chords, children. Your wish. Anywhere you draw 2 chords. Your wish.
Equal chords.
No need. Equal chords means again equal angles. Okay, but what is the center? I am asking. Draw 2 chords, children.
Equal chords are equal.
No. So children, perpendicular bisectors you have to draw for AB and CD. AB and CD, your wish, children. Any chords you draw somewhere. For AB you draw one perpendicular bisector. For CD you draw one perpendicular bisector. Wherever this perpendicular bisectors be, that is the center. Okay children, so what are the steps to identify the center of circle? Draw 2 chords, draw perpendicular bisectors, wherever they meet, that is the center. Okay children, those who need to understand, again I am saying, draw 2 chords, wherever you want you draw perpendicular bisector for this children, draw perpendicular bisector for this children. Wherever both the perpendicular bisectors are meeting, that is the center of the circle. Third question, children. Third question is that, so if 2 circles intersect at 2 points, okay children, if 2 circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisectors of the common chord. Okay children, if 2 circles are intersecting at 2 points, question is, prove that their centers lie. Okay children, their centers lie O dash. Their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Means we have to prove this is 90 degrees and this is a bisector also we should prove. Okay children, given. What is given? O and O dash are centers. AB is common chord. AB is common chord. Okay, required to prove. What is required to prove? Okay, children, join like this, join like this, join like this, join like this. Okay, children. So join all those things, children. After joining, required to prove is what, children? We have to prove that angle 1, angle 2, okay, is equal to 90 degrees. 1, 2. If this is 90, this is also 93, 4. Everywhere it is 90 degrees. You have to prove. And suppose this I will put some M midpoint. Okay. So we also should prove that AM is equal to BM because perpendicular bisector. Okay. Suppose any confusion is there in this figure, again I am drawing the figure, children. Those who didn't understand, please see here. This is O, this is O dash. This is A, this is B. Please see here, children, all of you. We have to prove this is M, children. We have to prove AM is equal to BM also. First we take big circles, children. O, A, O dash in O, A, O dash and O, B, O dash. Okay children. OA is equal to OB. In this triangle OA, in this triangle OB are equal because they both are radii. Next, AO dash is equal to BO dash. AO dash is equal to BO dash. That is also radii. This are equal, this are equal. OO dash is equal to OO dash. Why?
Common.
Common side. OO dash is equal to OO dash, common side. What we can write now? OA O dash is congruent to OB O dash. Okay. By CPCT, what we can write, children?
Angle 1 is equal to angle.
Angle. No. Sorry. I'm sorry, children. Okay. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Let us make this as 3 and 4, children. Okay. This is 3. This is 4. 3, 4. We have shown. So angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, children. Children, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal because this triangle and this triangle are congruent. So 1 is equal to 2. This triangle is congruent. So 1 is equal to 2. Now take small triangles OAM, OBM. In OAM and OBM, please see here, children, all of you. In OAM and OBM, OA is equal to OB. Why?
Radial.
Radii. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why?
True.
CPCT we only proved. OM is equal to OM.
Common.
Common side. Why?
Okay.
OAM is congruent to
OBM by SS.
OBM. Okay, children. OAM is congruent to OBM. Now by CPCT, what we can write? Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. We can write. And also we can write AM is equal to BM. AM is equal to BM. We can write angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and AM is equal to BM. 3 and 4 if we write as X and X. X plus X is equal to
180 degrees.
Y linear pair. Linear pair. 2X is equal to X is equal to 90. Angle 3, angle 4 is 90 degrees and AM is equal to BM. So OO dash is perpendicular bisector of AB. So what we can conclude, children? OO dash is perpendicular bisector of AB. OO dash is perpendicular bisector of AB because this is 90, this is 90. AM is equal to BM. So OO dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OO dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So first I took big triangle, I proved, children. Then I took small triangle, I proved, children. Then I by CPCT AM is equal to BM over 3 is equal to 4 over 3 and 4 are X and X. X plus X is equal to 180. Therefore 90 degrees I got. OO dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OO dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That's it, children. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me, children. So children, what you people will do? Please practice each sum 2 times, children, and show me tomorrow. Okay. So by that you'll be perfect, children. Again and again. Whenever exam is coming, you need not to practice, children. It will become. You will understand if you do today only 2 times. You will remember for it ever, children. Again, whenever test comes, you will practice. Again, when test comes, sir, please explain once again. These all things will not happen, children. Whenever I say please practice 2 times, you will remember it forever, children.